So hi, welcome back to my channel. Once again I'm coming with another aspect of technical analysis and top trading strategy. So today I'm going to discussing about support level and resistance level, and what is support and resistance level, how we can trade and support and resistance level, and what is an indication by using support and resistance level. So let's get start the video. So before starting the video, I request to all newcomer friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon to watch our technical analysis and top trading strategy first of all. So let me show how what is support and resistance level. So when we draw a line at the highest points of the kind price at all-time high, so such a line is known as resistance line. And when we draw a line at the lowest price points of the kind, so such a line is known as support line. So you can see clearly in the photo, the upper trend line is resistance while the lower is support. So you can see here.
Non-professional trader which not understand technical analysis says that when price touch the support level price will uptrend and when touch resistance price will come down, but it is not possible at every moments. In this strategy we look the repeating when price touch support then coming toward resistance because strategy have strong potential and long existence, so therefore we strongly believe on this pattern. But when support and resistance not have strong potential and also have small existence os in this pattern. So here the support and resistance break out and the price going up and smiler to in down